Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is supposed to be Raychaz reality TV show unboxing of my huawei ordered products. It is supposed to be the huawei P8 Lite product. As you can find, it is comfortably relaxing on my special lazy chair in my room. First, I'm gonna have to introduce to you the gift bag from Huawei. It's amazing, I think. Checking inside the box, we have the product itself, Huawei P8 Lite, and there we go. Then we check out the accompanying gifts products. First, we have the Huawei Bluetooth, which is supposed to be a gift accompanied. The first gift is the Huawei Bluetooth. Let's check out the second gift. Check it out. It's a Huawei. Let's go into the light and check it properly. Designed for Huawei P8 Lite. It's supposed to be the wallet, a phone wallet. Wow, this is awesome. Second gift is supposed to be a Huawei wallet. The third one, it's a Huawei P8 Lite screen protector, all being accompanied in a gift. The third one, I think it's supposed to be my goggles. If it is part of it. Oh, okay, this is personal, not part of the gifts. And then a warranty card, I guess. So basically, when I ordered for my product, the Huawei P8 Lite, this is what I had. It came along with a gift bag, beautifully made, and it says Huawei smartphone. Make it possible. The product itself, we're going to do the unboxing of the rare product in my next video, so stay tuned and check it out. YouTube, Raychaz for the TV show unboxing. Reviewing again the gifts that came along with the product as I ordered for 1 month. It took exactly a month to get here. It's a Bluetooth headset, and then the second gift was a screen protector, specially designed to match the product appropriately. We also have the phone wallet, also designed for Huawei P8 Lite. Sorry, I had to do the first version of the unboxing in the night. It's in the evening, and this is what we have. The product itself, the Bluetooth headset for a gift, screen protector and all that. Let's have some P8 Lite. We can quickly do a review of the unboxing. We open and see what the product is made of. I made my research before. That is the phone. You can subscribe and have a full detail of the unboxing later in the next video. Let's check this out. Oh, it just fell down. Oh, and then here we are, comfortably. Okay, that's all for now. Like I said, we'll do the next unboxing in the next video. Just subscribe and give a thumbs up in my video. Thank you.